Tired of worrying about the security of your crypto assets? Are you looking for a safe and easy way to manage your digital funds? You're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the Kraken wallet, a powerful, self-custody solution designed for the decentralized web. Kraken wallet is a non-custodial wallet, which means you and only you have control over your private keys and your funds. It's an essential tool for anyone serious about crypto. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple, step-by-step guide to get you set up and running in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to download the official Kraken wallet app from either the App Store or Google Play Store. Once it's installed, open the app and you'll be greeted with the main screen. Here, you'll see an option to create wallet. Tap on that. The next step is the most important one, backing up your wallet. Kraken wallet will generate a 12-word secret recovery phrase for you. This phrase is the master key to your funds. If you lose your phone or forget your password, this phrase is the only way to get your crypto back. I can't stress this enough. Write it down on a piece of paper, store it somewhere safe, and never, ever share it with anyone or store it digitally. Don't take a screenshot, don't email it to yourself. Just write it down and lock it away. Once you've securely written down your phrase, the app will ask you to verify it by tapping the words in the correct order. This ensures you've copied it accurately. After verification, you can set a password for daily use and even enable biometric security like Face ID or a fingerprint scan for quick and secure access. And that's it. You've successfully created your Kraken wallet. Now you can send, receive, and manage your crypto assets. To receive crypto, simply tap the Receive button on the home screen, and you'll see your various wallet addresses for different assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. Just copy the address you need and share it with the sender. To send crypto, tap the Send button and paste the recipient's address. It's that simple. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.